Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you guys are new. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications because it helps my channel and it helps you guys get notified every single time that I upload a new video. So make sure you turn those on. And today we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions February box. Now, I have a slight clue of what this box is, but I'm really interested to know what products are in here. It is a love-themed box. That much I know for sure. So we're just gonna hop right in. Okay, I'm filming this actually at night. I don't usually film at night, but it was a busy day and I feel like it's just, I might even work better at night. But as soon as you open the box, we're just gonna hop right in. This is what you see. And you guys always know, if you guys have been watching my Goddess Provisions box unboxings for a while now, you guys know that the first thing that I love to pull out is their card. And one of the biggest reasons is because I put these cards everywhere, like in my journals, I put them in my fridge, and this one says love more. Valentine's Day is coming up, so the theme right now is very love. And then when you open the card up, I'm not going to show you because there's coupon codes in there. But when you open it up, then it shows you the actual price of the products that are in here. And this box is actually just $33 a month, somewhere around $33 a month. But if you get like a 6-month subscription or like a year subscription, it is less. They give you discounts. And it makes like a great gift idea. There's always like 5 to 7 like full size items in the box. There's like crystals, there's tea, there's card decks, there's all types of spiritual items. And for me, like as someone who doesn't like to be bored, I don't like to be bored. The things that I get in the box, I always like to research them and look them up and see how I can use them to make them favor my life. If I don't know what it is. And it's just fascinating, it's fun, and I really like the fact that it's just new things for me to learn about. So with all that being said, the first thing that is in here, it says Elements Ayurveda Powdered Rose Cocoa Mix Drinking Chocolate. If you guys can see this. This is funny. Because a few days ago, I just cleaned out my pantry and I realized I always have like stash of tea. I love tea. And I was like, I don't have as much tea as I thought I did. Like a lot of it is gone. We've used it up. And so this isn't tea, but it's cocoa. But I've been craving a lot of like more chocolate, like really rich. Like this morning I made chai tea for the first time in a while. So I've been craving this, and so this is nice. This is gonna be really fun. And another thing is, for me, tea, and like even like little drinks like this, it helps me, first of all, soothing. It's very soothing and relaxing to just have a hot cup of something. For me, it's like my little me time, and I love to just sit with it and just enjoy it while it's warm. It's just really cozy and all of that stuff. I really love it. So I'm very excited to get into this. And cocoa. It has rose and cocoa in here. So you could actually use this in a love spell. You can use this in a red candle, just this alone, because the ingredients are pretty much cacao powder, coconut sugar, which is good for influencing someone. It's good for head work. Rose sugar, coconut sugar, and rose geranium essential oil. So this is really, really good for a love spell. You could just use this as an ingredient if you're not going to drink it. This is really good ingredients in here for a love spell. And this is a $5 value. You guys, that is cheap. For something like this, and you can actually smell it through the bag. I'm not saying that it's cheap, like in value, but I'm saying that's very, very affordable. And it smells really good. I'm very excited to dive into this. If you guys want like a quick shorts about it, let me know. I might even make like a love spell with it. If you guys want me to before Valentine's Day, let me know, okay? But the next thing that we see in the box is Divine Love Ritual Kit. So it says Divine Love is always available to me. So it's a bag that looks like this. I don't know what's in it. Let's dive in because they've never given anything like this in the box. But it looks like there's a bunch of things in here. There's like a few packages of something. Oh, do you guys see this? So, okay, there's lavender, and they say that this herb invites relaxation. If you ever want to do a love spell and you want to calm the energy down between a relationship between you and somebody else, you always want to use lavender. If you want to calm something down, if you want to bring harmony into something, just like soothing energy, you want to use lavender in that love spell. Okay? The next thing that I see here is hibiscus. Hibiscus is something that you want to use if you are trying to be more seductive, trying to increase your feminine energy. If you want to use your feminine energy to influence people, hibiscus is your herb. You can use the tea for so many health benefits as well. And it's used also, I use hibiscus a lot for Kali. So when I work with Kali, then I use hibiscus. So this is going to come to use as well. Oh, for love spells, it's increasing sexuality. So if you want more information about that, you're going to be having to head over to my OnlyFans. And I have every full moon and every new moon, I put up a video about how to arouse people or how to get aroused yourself according to the moon phases. So if you guys are interested in that, I have the link down below. But hibiscus is something you can use definitely for arousal. Now let's see what else is in here. This is rosebuds. Of course, love spell, rosebuds, roses. Roses are the flower of unconditional love. You can actually use this. I'm not going to open them all right now because it's a lot. And I want to kind of get this video quick. I don't want to drag the video, right? It's just a haul. You guys know what rosebuds look like. But this flower is something that increases love, unconditional love. And you can mix it in with rose quartz crystals. Keep it as potpourri. You can keep this under your mattress. You can throw this in red or pink candles to increase love in the house. Even orange and yellow candles. You can just pop some rosebuds in there, rose petals in there. It's really, really good for unconditional love in the home and just increasing the love in the home. And then we have rose quartz. This one I'm going to open because this is a crystal. So I want to see the quality of the crystal. There's a few in here too. Okay, so there's two. There's two different crystals in here, if you guys can see right here. Tumbled crystals. So tumbled rose quartz crystals, you can use in so many ways. You can put this in your water. You can, of course, wash it and charge it first. You could put it in your water to charge it up with good, loving energy. You can put this behind or in front of photos of you and your loved ones to always keep love abundant in the relationship. You can put this on your altar. You could put it with your wallet on your money so that your relationship with money is always loving and attractive. You can, what else can you do? You could put this near all of your beauty products, your hair products, like in the shower or like near the facial soap you use every morning. Like put it near there. It charges it up with good energy. So the fact that they gave you two and two tumbled ones, tumbled crystals are really, really easy to work with. So another thing, like I keep crystals near my toothpaste even. So like, you know, loving words, kind words, healing through your voice. If you wanted to put the rose quartz near your toothpaste. So I always like to give you guys like quick remedies about all the things that I get in these boxes off the top of my head. But if I don't know enough about these things, then that's where I don't get bored a lot. I like to research and look these things up and like play around with these things. So this is why I love these every month unboxings. But that right there the Divine Love Ritual Kit was a $28 value, and that's not the only thing in there. There's still other things in this box. I think there's a few more things. Let's see what they are. Okay, so there's an oil, and it is a Love Comes Together oil, and it doesn't have the ingredients listed in it, but it says 100% grapeseed carrier oil, which grapeseed oil is something I use for cooking, for my skin, for even a lot of the things in my shop. I use grapeseed oil. I love that oil. It's such an oil, like spiritually, it invites so much abundance, you guys. And then it also says for your magical herbal creations. So I think this is like a love oil. Okay, so right off the bat, it smells, let me see. Let's, okay. I don't really smell anything. Maybe because I have allergies, because my nasal cavities is always messed up. But I don't smell much. When my partner comes home, he took our dog for a walk. So when he comes home, I'm going to have him smell this because I can't really smell anything. And especially because I also make my own oils. Like I make these, and my oils last for hours and hours and hours. They linger, like they are very strong. So for me, I think I don't smell anything. So I don't know what that is. So I want to make a quick correction because I didn't read this correctly. I didn't read it right. This is actually just a grapeseed carrier oil. So it's pure grapeseed oil. That's why there's no scent in it. And that's interesting because I use grapeseed oil in everything, and I don't know how I didn't pick up on it. But it's just grapeseed oil. So you can actually put herbs in here. You could put other essential oils in here. You could put crystals in here. Grapeseed oil is such a good carrier oil for abundance, like I said. But yeah, I just wanted to correct myself and correct that. This is 100% pure grapeseed oil, and it's not any kind of essential oil or like a conjure oil mix or anything like that, which is what I thought it was. I'm really happy they give out grapeseed oil like this because not a lot of people get to try it, and this is a very big bottle of it. And it's a great oil to use in love spells, money spells, literally any kind of spells, because energy of it is abundance. And so whatever you're trying to manifest or attract, you're manifesting and attracting it in abundance. So corrected myself. But I'm sure that they're going to get the ingredients in here. But the last thing that they do give is this beautiful, so cute. I'm so excited for this, you guys. Do you guys see it? It's like a little heart jar case. So you can like mix up the herbs and the oils, make your own spell. Actually, I might do a spell for you guys here on YouTube with all of these ingredients. I think that will be really, really fun. Because it's really easy. And the ingredients are not hard to get your hands on. So that whole kit, everything in that bag was $28. Now, let's get into the rest of the bag. I don't want to like drag this, but this is like the rest of the bag. There is this Goddess Gems. It's like a little tin. Like, you know those tins that the Valentine's Day candy hearts come in sometimes? That's what it looks like. Crystal energy ignites my heart with love. And then, do you guys hear my dog howling? So it says manifesting with crystals, and it shows you directions of like what to do with these crystals. And then there are 5 heart crystals in here. And they are blue aventurine, amethyst, clear quartz, white howlite, and rose quartz. I'm very excited to get into these. These are definitely going to come in handy because you can drop these into the jar that they give you and make a whole entire like... Do you guys hear my dog howling? Do you guys hear him? Whenever my partner leaves, I think my partner left to go run an errand, he'll howl like that. for like 10 minutes. So excuse that. I am filming at night. We still have to like work. Even at night we work. So excuse that. But let's see what the retail value of this is. This crystal set is actually $25. Not bad because they are tumbled crystals and they come in the shape of a heart. So a few of these you could, like amethyst and the rose quartz, you could use in water. You can use this under your mattress. You can use these in potted plants around your house. Like, you could do a lot with these things. And because they look like decoration, you can be discreet if you want it to be. A lot of you guys ask me that. But the next thing that I see here, this looks like a crystal. This is really cute. I do not own anything like this. I don't know. It's resin, you guys. Do you guys see? I hope you guys can see. Focus right there. And then, so there's like a love potion bottle on one side, and then on the other side there's a copper coiled up piece. And this is a love potion organite. Cleanse your aura and your environment of negative energy with this unique organite piece made of rose quartz, amethyst, brass, copper, and resin. And this is an $18 value. I understand why it's $18 even though it's a smaller piece, because there's a lot of things in here that are very powerful. I would actually sleep with this under my pillow. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cleanse it and sleep with this under my pillow. I've been having a little bit of a few weird dreams here and there lately, and I just really feel like this would be really, really good underneath the pillow for weird dreams, for like negative, like nightmares, okay? And another thing is to keep this near photos of you and your loved ones, to keep this near, do you guys hear him? This is also, the fact that he's howling, this is also, and I was about to say that it's for calming and soothing a relationship, and calming and soothing the energies in the home. So I might even put this near him when he sleeps. And then the last thing in here is beautiful, you guys. It is a love rose quartz necklace. It's a, yeah. And whoever made this, they signed their name, Becca. They signed their name at the bottom. That is very special to me. I really, really like that. And it seems like it's a little piece of rose quartz, and it's like infused with love, song, and prayer, handcrafted by moms in Asheville, North Carolina. And this will retail for $27, plus they give you a coupon code at their website. I actually do want to check out the website. But yeah, that's everything in the box. I feel, okay, so the box is like $34, $33, something like that a month. I feel like everything in this box was really well worth it. Like, you got herbs, you got crystals, you got a necklace, you got a stone, like, not a stone, but like a very, like, this is powerful. When you, what I would do also is light a tea light on top of this, to infuse the energy of my house with the energy of everything that's in here. Rose quartz, amethyst, copper, very, very good things to keep in your house. So, and then the tea and everything, like, you could use all of these things in so many different kind of ways. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was fun. And if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below for Goddess Provisions, this whole box. It was a good box. And I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.